Morning, a Waimanalo ranch that has been serving its community for years is welcoming you.
And DLT Ranch is also welcoming Casey on a horse.
Hey! Wow!
Howdy.
Man, oh man, all this cowboy has got me mighty hungry this morning. Steve, Grace, Billy, Guy, and Joelani, I tell you what do you guys think? Yeah, the hat almost fits me. So does the horse this time around. I want to introduce my dear friend Gina Holfeld with me from DLT Ranch here in Waimanalo. Man, we've had a fun morning, haven't we?
That is right.
We got a lot to talk about, especially what's happening today from, 3 to 6?
That's correct.
Here on the ranch. It's a Keiki-focused, awesome time petting zoo. Tell us what's going to happen if folks, families want to come up here to
We're
Waimanalo.
gonna have pony rides and train rides. We have our new playground and party center open and our petting zoo to boot. So if you want to come on down from 3 to 6, we can have a time with you and we can have popcorn, shaved ice, and all the other treats and good Ohana vibes. So.
Yeah, want to give a shout out to Everly and Haven, mom and dad too, who brought them out early. We were riding around here in the arena. We were doing petting zoo stuff. They got to ride the ponies. These are a little bigger than ponies though. I'm feeling mighty comfortable on
your
this
high
ski.
horse.
Am I doing okay?
You're doing great.
A
Yes,
guy
you
that
look
doesn't
great.
ride horses very often. Tell me a little bit about what happens beyond all the Keiki stuff that's happening this afternoon. You do adult ridership. You do all kinds of really cool stuff on this ranch.
That's
What makes it
correct.
such a special place?
We are very versatile in the services that we offer. So we do out petting zoos, we do in-venue parties, we do lessons for adults and keikis, and we also hold Paniolo play day once a month. So
Awesome. Okay, speaking of fun things that are happening, I know something pretty cool's happening on the 21st of December. Tell me about Pancakes with Santa.
Pancakes with Santa starts at 10 a.m. and we invite everybody to come purchase pre-sale tickets on our website. And we just have a good pancake breakfast with Santa. We have pictures and train rides and pony rides too. So
I want to give a shout out also to Danette, the gal that made all this possible this morning, who I hope is sleeping because she's going to have a big day ahead of her.
That's
Welcoming
correct.
all those families here. Oh, real fast.
Yeah.
What do you want people to know if they do come out parking-wise, logistics-wise?
So we have our new party center that just got renovated. In the front of that party center, we have a brown gate that has American flags that are fixed to it. You can park outside of that fence, and we like to fill that fence line up first. And then we have new parking area inside that brown fencing. So we offer like a 4-row cars.
So bring the kids 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. You can head back into town wherever you want to watch the Rainbow Warriors take on Las Vegas in Sin City. Sounds like a pretty good Friday to me.
Yeah, good
right?
Aloha Friday lined up.
Hey,
so.
Gina, thank you so much.
Thank you so
I've
much.
had a blast this morning. And yes, Steve, Grace, Guy, Billy, and Giovanni, I'm a country boy now.
Yeah. Are you going to ride off into the
I can skate a book, I
sunrise?
can run a trot line. And all my rowdy friends are coming over tonight.
We'll see you.
You got to appreciate that commitment that he's got to the character.
Yes.
Yeah.
Giddy up.
But you have to also appreciate the last time that he was on the horse was in control and he was riding off towards the ocean.
But that's why he's fenced in.
That's
That horse can't go anywhere.
Proud, as you might say.
Good job,
Nice.
Casey.